Good morning, dear students. So today we'll be discussing about the percentage, decimals and fractions, and how to convert the percentage and fractions. So different set of questions will be there, and it's about exercise 13.2. Previously we have already started the 13.1. You can go through that video also to, if you don't have the basic idea about the percentage and how to convert the percentage into the fraction into the percentage, then you can go through that video. And this is another video lecture of 13.2. So the first question you can see, find the percentage of the following cases, right? So 15 out of 75. Now you have to find the percentage. So 15 out of 75 means if there is 15, if you have got 15 marks out of 75 marks, then what is the percentage of the marks that you have got? So like that type of thing is the example that I am giving to you. So that will be the example, like if you are getting okay, so if you bought 15 pens out of 75, then how much percentage of pens you have bought? Okay, so that is the example, okay, I am giving. So similarly, now you can see here 15 is the amount, 15 is the unit, and out of 75 unit, that means the total unit is 75. So 15 unit out of 75. Now you need to find out the percentage of this 15 unit out of the total unit. So let's do this. Here in the question number 1, in question 1 it's given 15 of 75 is given, and you need to find out the percentage of 15. So what does that mean? 15 out of 75, 15 out of 75 into 100%. Since you have to find out the percent, so we will be multiplying with 100%, and 15 5s are 75. Okay, so 15 5s are 75 will be there, and here it will be remaining 500 by 5% will be remaining, and 5 how many is 5 2s are 10 zeros are, so 20%. So this means 5 of 75 is the 20% of the marks. If it's about the marks, then it is 20% of the marks. It's about the pen, then 20% of the pen you have bought. So like that you will be calculating the value. And most of the cases here are similar, and here you can see now the calculate 5% of 50. So let's do this question number 2. So the question number 2a, it's about 5% of 50. Okay, so 5% of 50 means, since here the percentage is given, okay, this percentage will be converted as 5 upon 100. Understood? This percentage will be converted as 1 by 100. So always remember, if there is a percentage given, then you have to convert it as 1 by 100. Okay, multiply as 1 by 100. So when you multiply by 1 by 100, it will be 5 by 100 here, and of 50 means multiply will be there, 50 will be same, 0 will be cut down. Okay, and 5 2s are 10 will be there. So the answer is 5 by 2. And this fraction now can be converted into the decimal as well. For converting into the decimal, you can do 2 divided by 5. 2 2s are 4, 1 will be remaining, and 2 point. Now 0 will be there, 2 5s are 10 minus. So 2.5 is the answer. 2.5 in decimal. 5.2 in fraction, 2.5 in decimal is the answer. Now here in question number 3, you can see it's a bit different. 2% is written. Okay, 2% is rupees 5. That means total quantity is unknown. Okay, up to now here you can see 5% of 50 means this was the total quantity, and you need to find out the unit quantity that time. But here total quantity is unknown, and you need to find out the you need to find out the total quantity from the percentage and the unit quantity given. Okay, let's do question number 3a. Okay, in question number 3a, the question given is 2% is rupees 5 given. 2% is rupees 5. That means now we need to find out the total quantity. Let the total quantity be x. Okay, so if the total quantity be x, then 2% of total quantity is equal to rupees 5 is equal to the unit quantity. 2% of total quantity is equal to unit quantity. So 2% of x is equal to 5, or 2 by, since percentage is there, we have to divide by 100 into x equals to 5. Now 2 5s are 10, 0s are 0. Okay, so x by 50 is remaining, equals to 5 is there, or x equals to 5 into 50. This 50 will go in another side and it will multiply. So 5 into 50. X equals to 5 5s are 25, 0 will be here, 250. So the answer is, hence the total quantity, total amount, okay, we have to write amount here. Amount is rupees 250. Since here rupees is given, so the total rupees will also be, total amount will also be rupees. Similarly, other questions are also very similar to each other, but only the difference are here the units are different. Here kg, that means the total quantity will also be in kg. Meter, that means in meter. Gram, that means the total quantity will be in gram. Students means total number of students will be, you have to write the, find out the total number of students. And 7,000 is written, nothing rupees is written here, so you have also to find out the total rupees. Here hours, total hours is to be find out, and here this fraction is given. So let's do this question. H number. So in question number H, 3H, 2 1 by 2 percentage is 10 given. Let x be the total quantity, then 2 1 by 2% of x equals to 10. Okay, now we have to find out, we have to first resolve this into the fraction. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2% of x equals to 10, or 5 by 2 into 1 by 100. Since I have said percentage will always be equal to 1 by 100, so instead of percentage I wrote here 1 by 100 into x equals to 10 will be there. I'm writing it here only after this step. Okay, after this step, so 5 by 2, 1 by 100 is there, and into x is there. So what you can write, 5 2s are 10, 0s are 0. So the now the remaining is 1 upon 2 into 20 is remaining, into x is remaining in the numerator part, or x by 2 to the 40 equals to 10 is remaining, right? So x equals to 10 into 40, that means the remaining is 400. Hence now you have to write the conclusion also. Hence 400 is the total quantity. Like that you have to do. Now here you can see, calculate the 5% of the following. That means 5% of 5 liter. 5% of 5 liter of sunflower oil you need to find out. Okay, let's do this question. Okay, question number 4a means you have to find out to calculate 5% of 5 liters of sunflower oil. Okay, So 5% of 5 liters of sunflower oil you need to find out. That means 5% of 5 liters. Either you can convert it or you can directly do it. Now this percentage, this percentage will be 1 by 100 into 5 will be there, equals to 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros is 0. Now the remaining is 5 upon 20 is remaining. Again with this 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 1 by 4. And this is the unit quantity, so this will be liter. Hence 5% of 5 liter is 1 by 4 liter. Or you can also convert this 1 by 4 into decimal. Decimal, I have already suggested you how to convert the fraction into decimal, no? If you don't know, then you can see the lecture video. Well, this is the decimal, means 0.25 liter, or 0.25 liter is the 5% of 5 liter. So similarly, now I think you can do this all sort of questions. This 30 kg, 5% of 30 kg, that means 5 upon 100 into 30, like that you have to find out. Similarly, here you can see now storing the following information and calculate the new selling price. New selling price, that means 5% off. 5% off means 5% is decreased, 5% will be discounted. So the previous selling price was 700, and if the 5% off will be there, then we have to decrease it, no? We have to decrease. Sometimes in the shopkeeper in the market, there will be the like sale, come 50% off, 50% discount is given. So such type of advertisement you will be observing, no, in the market. So similar type of thing is here also. 5% off means you have to pay the less amount. That means out of 700, 5% is decreased. That means you have to do the subtraction. Okay, let's do this question number 5a. Okay, in question number 5a, the selling price given present selling price, present SP equals to rupees 700 is given, and 5% is off. So this amount we can write percentage decrease in SP equals to 5%, because that is the percentage decrease. Off means this off, if the market value has been given and if the sale is off, such type of advertisement is given, then you have to know that this is the decrease amount. Decrease means less amount. Okay, so the decrease 7% decrease in SP is 5%. You have to write. Now new SP equals to what? Okay, now we know this will be writing SP1. Okay, since present SP is SP, present selling price is SP, new selling price will be SP1. SP1 equals to SP minus decrease portion, that means 5% of SP. That means how much amount of selling price is there, you have to subtract, and the 5% of the decrease that has been given, that you have to do the minus from the total selling price at present context. So the total present at present the total SP is 700 minus 5% of 700. 700 minus 5%. This percentage means 5 into 1 by 100 into 700. Off means into. Okay. So 700 minus this, first of all we will be solving it. Okay. If you don't know, then we can put it in a bracket. And this 0 0 and this 0 0 will be cut down. 7 5s are 35 into 1 equals to 35 only. So 700 minus 35 is equals to Yes, now calculate. Okay, so this is the answer. The new SP is equal to SP1 equal to rupees 665. Like this you have to write. Okay, now here you can see in every question there is off written. That means you have to do the minus there. Now here you can see in question number 6, 3/4 of an X volume is water. What percent is this written? So that means, so here it means in question number 6, 3/4 is the volume, is the X volume of water. And what is the percentage of this is written. So you have to convert this fraction into the percentage. For converting this fraction into the percentage, you have to do multiplication with the 100%. So this is only the thing that you have to do. You can write in, I'm doing it directly. You have to write it in a language form also. 3/4 into 100 means 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 2 is remaining, 4 5s are 20, and 3 into 25 is equals to 75%. So 75% is the 75% is the X volume is water, right? That you have to write. Similarly, the percentage body in this 7 number question also, the body, human body consists of 2/3 of water. What percent is this? This is also very similar question. 2/3, you have to convert it into the fraction, into the percentage. And I got the following marks. Maths 19/20. Convert it. Since the question is saying to help me to change into the percentage, that means you have to convert this fraction into the percentage by multiplying with 100. Similarly, here in question number 9, Balram mixed water and milk daily. If the mixture is 20 liter and 20% is water in the mixture, find the pure milk. Okay, let's do this question. This is very important question. Okay, here in question number 9, the question number 9 is saying that the Balram has mixed water and milk daily. The mixture is given. The total mixture equals to 20 liter. 20 liter is given, okay? And 20% is water. Percentage of water equals to 20%. In the mixture, find the pure milk. That means percentage of milk equals to what? We know this mixture was done with the help of the water and the milk. So let's find the total amount of water. Okay, the amount of water in mixture is equal to 20% of the total mixture is 20. So 20% of 20 we have to do. That means for finding out the unit quantity, you need to do the percentage given of 20 out of 20, or not right, or you have to do the equal to, then this 20 and this percentage means upon 1/100, and this off means into, and 20 is here. So 0 will be cut down, another 0 here will be cut down, 2 to the 4 will be there. This 4 is the liter. Okay, this 4 is the liter. Since we are finding the unit quantity of water, so it is the liter. Now the percentage of milk you need to find out. So for this, what you can do, the total, the amount of milk is since the total mixture is 20, right? And the amount of milk, amount of water we found out was 4. So the total amount of milk we can find out by subtracting the total mixture minus amount of water. Okay, by this we can find out the amount of milk, which is 20 liter minus 4 liter equals to 16 liter. So 16 liter is the amount of milk. Now percentage of milk in mixture is so the amount is given 16 and the total amount is given 20. 16 out of 20 into 100%. We have to do 100%. 16 out of 20. 16 is the unit amount, 20 is the total amount into 100. As we know the formula that for finding out the total percentage, you have to write the unit quantity upon total quantity into the 100% for finding out the percentage, unit percentage. So this is the basic formula that we need to understand. So 16 out of 20 equals to 100. 2 0 and 0 will be cut down. 2 5s are 10 will be there, and 16 into 5 now. 16 5s are 80. So this is the 80%. Now you can see 80% is the milk here, and 20% which is given by the question is water. So 20 plus 80 will be equal to 100%. Very good. And 20 liter is the total mixture, right? So 4 liter is the water and 16 liter is the milk. That means total mixture. Total mixture equals to water plus milk. Water plus milk. So the total mixture given is 20 liter and the water given is 4 liter we found out, and the milk is 16 liter. 20 liter equals to 20 liter. So that means we checked it. This is also correct. No need to do this. I am just doing it for checking purpose. Okay. So here in 10 number also, it's also very similar to question number 9. 36 students are there and 25 are the girls. That means 25%, 25 upon 100 into 36 is the total number of girls. So that means you can find out the total number of boys. Like that you can find out the number of boys. And here divide the amount 1 lakh among the following person. So father will get 40%, mother will get 20%, son will get 30%, and daughter will get 10%. Now you have to calculate the total amount what they will get. Father will get 40% means the amount is 40 upon 100 into 1 lakh. Mother's is 20 upon 100 into 1 lakh. And don't forget to check with the answers of book.